Hello everyone. Would you like to take a boat trip to see what Chicago looks like in special? During your boat trip, you will listen to someone introduce famous views and buildings, or see a totally different Chicago under the sunset or firework. It's Wendela boat trip. Now we are going to tell you about the history, its time schedule, and transportation, and activities in Wendela boat tour.
Hello, everybody. I'm talking about the history of Wendela. Wendela was founded in 1935 at the northeast corner of Navy Pier by Albert Boston, a Swedish immigrant. In 1938, Wendela moved to Mexican Avenue at the Wrigley Building. In 1962, Wendela started a rush-hour commuter service. Wendela Bus has provided millions of visitors and commuters to experience the city in a unique way.
Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to get there. Wendela is on 400 North Michigan Avenue, 5 blocks away from Harlem, Washington. It's so close for you to get there. Its time and price are so clear. But one more tip for everyone. Before you get there, you better to call the Wendela service phone number because schedule and routes may be very with the season or weather condition. Such as windy, typhoon. Moreover, saving time, daylight saving time. Okay, next point I'm going to talk about. First of all, work your basic ability. If you are in Harlem, Washington, all you have to do is go to the Michigan Avenue and turn left, go straight. Maybe about 5 or 7 minutes you will see it. Secondly, train and bus. Its location is so close to Station Gray and Station Lake Estate. So you can take red light train, orange, green, pink light train, whatever. If you want to take bus, I will recommend 2 bus stations: Michigan Walker, Michigan Harbor. Finally, the most convenient way for everyone, drive or test. Get into the car and say, "Mr. Driver, I'm going to Wendela boat tours." Then you will be there. Easy job. Thank you.
I'm so excited. Now I will introduce you about the activity with Wendela. You will see sightseeing, tours, and special events, and all focusing on the history of the architecture and the lake. Wendela has many kinds of tours to offer to you, but I would like to recommend you 4 tours for you. The first tour, that is the Chicago River Architecture Tour. This tour is considered to be among the best in the world, and the Chicago River provides the ultimate setting to view this wonderful structure with professional architecture tours. And you will spend your time with it for 75 minutes. The second, the combined lake and river tour. This tour will provide you about the comprehensive overview of Chicago, offering breathtaking views of the fantastic skyline and an up-close perspective from the Chicago River, and you will spend your time with it for 90 minutes. Next, the Chicago of Sunset Cruise. You will see what's being called the world's most beautiful skyline, and you will be surprised with the 60 light show as 60 begin. The building begins. I'm sorry, I'm so nervous. Its building begins to shine. This tour will offer you on the Friday and Saturday, and you will spend your time with it for 2 hours. The last one, this is my best. The Lake Michigan firework cruise. Like the Chicago at Sunset tour, the firework cruise lets you directly out to the Lake Michigan and bring you to the north and south along the skyline. And that exposed in the star with and sparkle common the romantic situation. And you will spend your time with it for 2 hours. The happy experience with the Wendela. Don't miss the best experience in your life. Take your time and go to participate in Wendela tour. You will know the interesting history about Wendela, the time and transportation that are easy to get there, and very variety of tour that can provide.
You will know more about Chicago.
So you can see the wonderful structure that we built in this city.
And the best thing of the tour is you can take your time with the most romantic situation with your important person via Wendela tour. And we are thank you for attention. Thank you.